Welcome back to Finance Center. In this video we are going to talk about 10 skills you should master to make money online. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to Finance Center for future updates. Do you want to take your profession to the next level? Or do you want to make some additional cash? Enriching your skill set is the best approach to advance in your work and make more money. Your CV will stand out from the crowd if you have a well-developed skill set. It also improves your prospects of promotion and gives you more negotiating leverage when it comes to salary. In 2021, we've produced a list of the most lucrative skills to master. Number 10. Digital marketing. Go for digital marketing if you are tech-savvy, creative, and have an affinity for advertising. The term digital marketing refers to a subset of marketing. It promotes products and services through electronic gadgets and digital media platforms. You can make up to 6 figures each year depending on the position. The field of digital marketing has a lot of potential. The demand for digital marketing is expanding in tandem with the rise of digital platforms and increased usage. Overall, digital marketing offers a wide range of job opportunities. As a result, you must select a specialization. Here are a few digital marketing topics to think about. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. SEO, Search Engine Optimization, SEM, Marketing with Content, Marketing with Influencers, Automated Content Creation, Marketing using a campaign, Marketing that is based on data, E-commerce promotion, Marketing on social media and direct email marketing. Ebooks and games have also become popular digital marketing tools. Digital marketing can also be done through non-internet sources. They do so since they also offer digital media. Mobile phones, for example, via SMS, callback, on-hold mobile ringtones, and television. For higher profit, choose a specialization and improve relevant talents. Number 9. Copywriting. Aren't you sure you've been clickbaited a couple times? Where a catchy headline enticed you to click through and read it, or perhaps even purchase a product. That's simply one aspect of outstanding copywriting. You've probably heard that writing doesn't pay the bills. That is just incorrect in sales copywriting. If you have a knack for creative writing, copywriting could be the ticket to financial success. Furthermore, all you need for a great copywriting career is a laptop, a strong Wi-Fi connection, and your ability to think creatively. As a freelance copywriter, you may usually work from home. Working as a copywriter in marketing departments, copywriting agency, advertising agencies, or public relations organizations is also an option. Copywriting talents are also useful in a variety of marketing roles, such as content management, editor, and SEO specialist. Number 8. Tech skills. Tech talents are always in demand in this age of the internet. Companies are increasingly migrating online and converting to cloud-based operations. As a result, technical talents are in higher demand these days. The following are some of the most profitable talents to learn in the realm of information technology. Automation in IT. Infrastructure automation is another term for IT automation. It simply entails the use of software to develop repeatable instructions and procedures. Its goal is to use information technology systems to replace or reduce human involvement. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. Machine learning in AI is primarily based on the idea that machines can learn and adapt over time. Artificial intelligence, or AI, on the other hand, refers to a broader concept. That is, machines are capable of performing jobs intelligently. Siri and Cortana are two examples of AI and machine learning. DevOps, software development methodologies. DevOps is a collection of practices that bring together software development and IT operations. It focuses on reducing the time it takes for systems to develop. It also ensures that high-quality software is delivered on a consistent basis. Number 7. Sales. Sales is one of the most lucrative skills to learn, and it isn't only for the year 2021. Sales positions offer a high potential for commission earnings as well as a solid starting wage. You can become a successful salesperson if you have the appropriate sales abilities and industry expertise. Every industry, in essence, has certain sales roles. Sales talents that are transferable are highly valuable. Amazon, Bloomberg, Coca-Cola, Ford UK, Fujitsu, Microsoft, Samsung, and Unilever are just a few of the big sales recruiters in the UK. They aren't the only ones, though. Sales positions can be found in even small businesses. Also, sales aren't limited to a specific season. Companies are always in need of sales reps in order to meet their bottom-line targets. You must be able to communicate effectively and understand the demands of customers in order to work in sales. A pleasant demeanor and a sales aptitude are also advantageous, in addition to your credentials. Number 6. Design, UX, graphic, or visual. With eye-catching visuals and graphics, you may show off your creative side as a designer. There are few limitations to what a designer can depict. If you want to be self-employed and work as a freelancer, design is a good skill to have. When you've accumulated enough skills and experience, you'll be able to charge more money. In general, a visual designer's job entails visualization. A graphic designer, on the other hand, can employ typefaces, colors, images, and many other things. Information is communicated via graphic designers. Visual designers, on the other hand, are more concerned with the product and brand identity. Aside from that, money is a defining feature. Visual designers have a somewhat greater rate than graphic designers, while having equal qualifications. Interaction is the emphasis of user experience designers, UX. Number 5. Video filming and editing. Have you noticed how many people are vlogging everywhere these days? Every minute, 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube throughout the world. As you finish reading this blog, thousands of hours of footage will be posted. As a result, one of the most profitable skills to learn in 2021 is video filming and editing. In the world of content creation, storytelling is a major deal. And videos are far superior to photos when it comes to telling stories. As a result, a large number of people are creating video material. Have you ever considered how independent content makers come up with video ideas, plan, film, and edit them? To be sure, most of them don't do it on their own to save time or be more efficient. Furthermore, creating video content is a difficult task. Script writing, scheduling, logistics, filming, and other activities, for example. They require assistance during the entire process. This is where you can help them out by sharing your knowledge while also earning money. Number 4. Project management. One of the most profitable skills to learn is project management. Because project managers are in higher demand than other occupations. Every day, the nature of work becomes more complex, necessitating project work. Project management is the practice of managing a group of people to accomplish a set of objectives within a set amount of time. It operates under 3 constraints: scope, time, and budget. Among the project management steps are initiation, planning, executing, monitoring, controlling, and project completion. For a project to be successful, it requires a consistent leader with a specific set of talents. You can simply manage project tasks, collaborate, and fulfill goals while controlling resources and costs with the help of widely accessible project management software. Number 3. Foreign language. International trade is booming as a result of the rise of globalization. However, because not everyone speaks English, there are occasions when communication is difficult. Fortunately, translators can assist in removing this barrier and facilitating business operations. The demand for translators has risen in tandem with the growth of international businesses. Learning a new language could be one of the most profitable skills to master if you play your cards well. Being a translator entails more than simply being present and translating a dialogue between 2 people. It entails a lot more, but the core premise is the same. A translator's main job is to translate one language into another. It could merely be a verbal translation, or it could also include a written component. Proofreading, document translation, and editing are only a few examples. You have the option of working on multiple types of content. You can, on the other hand, specialize on a single form of content. Number 2. Foreign currency exchange trading, Forex. Trading is a highly competitive sector that appears complicated at first glance. However, after you've mastered it, you'll believe it's the most profitable skill to learn. Do you intend to compete in the big business league in the near future? Then you must comprehend how the foreign exchange market operates. The fundamentals of foreign currency exchange trading are the trading of two countries' currencies against one another. To profit from international currency exchange trading, you must be well versed in the subject. You'll also need to understand risk management. Also, educate yourself on the currencies you wish to trade. In order to succeed in Forex, you must stay current and be able to analyze numbers. It's merely gambling to trade Forex without enough facts and place orders based on supposition. Number 1. Trade skills. Yes, you may swap skills. They also have the potential to be lucrative professions. Working in the trade can even pay you 6 figures per year. Nursing, plumbing, and landscape design are some of the most profitable trade talents to study. To get decent money in trade employment, you must have sufficient expertise to complete the work properly. The majority of the positions listed above pay well. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.